Hello there! Welcome to another installment of the Garden Guides. I'm Adam Gibson. Finding the right plant requires a lot of research, and when you're on the lot, feel free to ask us any questions about any plant you see. But if you're a do-it-yourselfer that's super independent, I want to talk to you about the tags that you see on every plant and the information that you can get from each one. The store has many vendors, and each vendor has their own card. The information on these cards can vary, but there are a few things that are staples across the board. This is a classic Monrovia tag. Look at the front and you can see a picture of what the blooms should look like, the name and color of the flower, the sun preference, and some fun facts like this one's pollinator friendly and it stays compact. Open it up and you get a little paragraph describing the flower. You get full sunlight, watering, the blooms when they come, the zone that this flower is, and the average size that this flower potentially grow inside that zone. Shing! Sparkle, sparkle. As I mentioned earlier in the video, each vendor has a different approach to their tags. This is a flowerwood tag. It's a lot like the Monrovia tag, except it's just a front and a back. Has all that information and even a few other things like ideal planting practices, and along the right side, an Espanol. Even when you walk in and see those 4-inch pots, they too have little tags on them. Might be tiny, but there's still lots of information on them. These all-star tags, you flip around, you get a cool descriptive paragraph about, in this case, this lantana, and it also tells you its sun preference, its height and spread, and the most notable fact about each flower. That's just an example of 3 tags that we have on this lot. There are many more from many different vendors. But what's important to remember is the information you read on the tag corresponds to the hardiness level of each plant. So even though you can get some information by reading those tags, if you need more, we encourage you to come find us, ask us questions, because we can help you out and give you the understanding you need to pick the perfect plant for your yard. If you found this video useful, please share it with your friends. They might find it useful too. And if you like the video, hit that thumbs up button because it helps us out a lot. If you have any questions about anything I've covered, comment below, and while you're down there, please subscribe. Thanks for joining me.